Hello world, hi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another content. In this content, I'm gonna be share with you a very vital topic. The topic is learning English fast and effortlessly. Proven tips for beginner. So don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us. And I strongly believe that this content will be helpful for your learning English language. So this is time for let's beginning. Do you want to speak English fluently without spending years studying? Today I'm gonna share proven tips that will help you learn English faster effortlessly. Even if you are a beginner, doesn't matter. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start speaking confidently in just a week. So this is your turn. Beginner are wants to learn phrases instead of simple words because learning phrases is very too much crucial or is very important for learning English. Like that, beginner often memorize single words, but it's easier to learn common phrases. Instead of learning it, go book separately. Learn phrases just like I want to eat or let's go to the walk. Let's go to the park. Can I borrow your book? Can I borrow your book? You can say this kind of phrases and you can learn this kind of phrases because phrases is the heart of English language. You must know phrases like practice, repeat that this practice daily. While learn context the pronunciation together. It's true, speak every day, even for 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes, doesn't matter. Matter is speaking regularly is the fastest way to improve. Like talk to yourself, like today I wake up at 7 a.m., then I had breakfast, I feel happy. Or use simple sentences like describe your day or narrate your action. And you must have record yourself, record your accent and record your pronunciation and record your current sentences. That time you will be able to identify your mistake because mistake are proof that you are trying to do new thing. That's why it's too much crucial. And number 3 tips is listen actively to English. You must have listen your English speaking because it's too much crucial and too much vital for about learning English. Like listening improve pronunciation, vocabulary and understanding. Watch an English YouTube video or Netflix show with subtitle. This is one of the proven ways to learn English or improve your English. Like pause, repeat and mimic the sentence exactly. Try this. I'm going to the store. I'm going to the store or repeat in the same tone and speed. Focus on intonation and rhythm, not just two words. Use apps and tools for effortless learning. Like you can you can use this kind of apps like Duolingo, like HelloTalk, or AI tools like ChatGPT for conversation practice. Asked ChatGPT to correct my English sentences or simulate a conversation in English. You can ask this kind of promote with ChatGPT and practice your English with ChatGPT. Like why it will work, you can practice anytime, anywhere without pressure. Tip 5 is learn common mistakes and speak confidently. Like beginner often hesitate because they fear mistake because mistake are both the time you are trying. You didn't affair with mistake. Like example wrong, I go to school yesterday. Correct, I went to school yesterday. Or she can sing well. Correct, she can sing well. Don't worry about your perfection. Focus on communication first. A fun method to reinforce learning. Like Learning English can be enjoyable, which makes it effortless. Example: listen to English song and try singing along. Play simple English games or quiz. Watch English cartoon or short videos with subtitle. And this is very proven method to learn English or faster your English or correct pronunciation. Why it works? The brain learns faster when you enjoy the activity. So learn phrases, speak daily, listen actively, and use tool, accept mistake, and have fun. Start today, even 5 minutes daily will make a huge difference in 30 days. Can you believe this? You just imagine this. That time it will happen. So it was must needed for it start instantly or start today. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can't follow my this content because this time is over. Next time I will connect with you with short time. See you soon with another content, and I strongly believe that my every content will be very helpful for your English speaking journey. So don't waste your time, and if if you think this content will help you for your English speaking journey, that time you can follow or subscribe my channel and show my bell button. So this is time for bye. See you on another content.